Hey, what's going on, y'all? Taria Avant here, and I am dropping this video only because I want to make sure that I can get it out to as many people as possible. Guys, I am pre-selling my brand new book, the 10K book. Now, I haven't created the cover or nothing like that yet, but this book is designed to show you how to get to $10,000 per month, week, or day with your books, okay? As you guys know, I've already authored several books, and I've worked with thousands of authors, and it is my mission as a coach to be able to show authors truly how to get to the bag, okay? We're not just a publishing company. I'm a coach, and my goal is to coach you on how to use your book to build up your speaking career, how to use your book to build up your coaching career, how to use your book to build up your network marketing business. So what you can do for the first 100, or we might not even get to 100, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, like I've got so much going on, but the goal is to get to 100 people, the first 100, or by next week, because we will finish pre-selling next week, that actually pre-order the book. You will be listed in the book for free. Not only will you be listed in the book for free, but you will also get a virtual VIP ticket to the celebration conference of this book. Now, we also have the Authors All-Star Conference that is coming up at the end of this year. And so if you are an author, you want to know, seats are very limited to this event. I have not opened up registration, but we will very soon. And I've got a lot of people asking, so them tickets are going to go fast. However, when you pre-order this book, you do get to be a part of the virtual celebration that we're going to have during the conference. So we're going to be talking about this, you guys. It's a huge opportunity, okay? And for those that, well, I won't even talk about it. It's just a big deal, okay? So all you got to do is pre-order the book. And if you do, you'll be able to have your business listed for free in our business listing area, okay? So, I mean, listen, you got to pay nothing, you don't have to pay anything for that listing. It'll be in there for the life of the book. All you got to do is pre-order, all right? Okay, well, go ahead and go to the link posted right here. Boom, I'm going to pop it on the screen so you can know where to go. I made a very easy link for you to remember. So go to that link right there to purchase your copy of the 10K book. It's going to be coming out this winter, okay? If not earlier. It's actually already almost done. But of course, we're going to add some additional opportunities for those of you, especially those of you who are clients of mine, all my clients, okay? Big opportunity coming up, all right? So anyway, so get your book. I'm going to stop talking to y'all to death. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you. Deuces.